Hey, I'm Jaime Pfeffer, and I'm so excited to open up my Healing Crystals box. I love getting crystals in the mail, and I love ordering from Healing Crystals because they do some really special things inside each of their deliveries and shipments. They put a really nice prayer card with an intention in there. And I also love the fact that it's $3 for shipping. That's just amazing. No matter how big your order is, it's only $3. So let's take a minute. I've already opened the box just with scissors, but we're gonna look and see for this unboxing what crystals I got today. And this is a cool thing because I don't even really remember what I ordered. Okay, so it's Jaime again, and here we are. We're at my Healing Crystals box, and I'm so excited to look inside. So I love the way that they pack these things so nicely. And here, this is the nice card I was talking about before. I love this. For the highest good of all, we pray and intend that these crystals and minerals activate and fill themselves with the infinite love and light of spirit. Bless the person receiving these items, and may these crystals and minerals actively support their spiritual growth and healing efforts. So nice. So, oh yeah, so it looks like I got a free gift of an amethyst point. I love that. That's chrysocolla right here. And these I ordered for my girls because those are green aventurine angels. And then I also ordered these amethyst points right here that are on a leather cord because my little daughter, who just turned 7, is really into necklaces and stuff right now. So that's what that is. And then again, we've got some nice packing stuff in here. And I'm doing this one-handed. So let's see if I can figure this out here. I should have maybe thought of a different way to do this, and I don't really have my scissors with me. Okay, so here's some more of the items that I got. I got this really beautiful amethyst necklace for my girls, for each of my girls. And this stuff, most of this stuff, actually everything I bought was on clearance. So this was $5.10. And then I got these beautiful green aventurine angels. I got those on clearance as well. I'm looking at my receipt. Those were $5.55. And then I'm just going to put them on my own chain. So pretty. And I got this piece of yellow calcite, which looks gorgeous. And I got some horn coral, which is really neat. And most of the time when I order, it is just, this is a piece of fluorite, which I think is really beautiful. Most of the time when I order, I do it by intuition. This is blue aventurine. I am a medium, so blue aventurine helps with mediumship abilities. And then my big splurge this time was a clear quartz stalactite cluster, and I'm so excited. I got a jumbo size, and this is what it is. I haven't even opened it up. I just kind of opened up the packaging. Woo! Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Look at that. So that is a clear quartz stalactite cluster. Kind of looks like a spirit quartz if you look at it. I'm sure it is a form of spirit quartz, but you can kind of get an idea of how beautiful that is. And that was on clearance, and that was only $26. This thing is really big if you look at it in the palm of my hand. And again, I just knew that I needed to get it, and that's how I do it. So I hope you enjoyed this wonderful unboxing, and I will talk to you soon.